Welcome. If you want to get LED keyboard on your LG K52, at the first we have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type LED keyboard. Right now go right here from this application, from the Basic Studio. Let's install. Right now let's open. Click to get started, tap OK, and simply tap on the switcher to turn LED keyboard. Go for the input options and switch to LED keyboard. And right now let's pick one of the theme. I will go for this one. Click to download the theme. Let's turn off this ad. And as you can see, here we got our new LED keyboard. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!